So how do you turn a perishable catch into a stable capsule? Industrial fleets target dense schools, anchovies, sardines, mackerel, where omega-3s run high.
The clock starts the moment fish leave cold water.
Heat and air accelerate rancidity handling is engineered to slow it down. Refrigerated seawater keeps the oil stable before processing.
At port, the catch moves straight into processing. No waiting, no warm air. Cleaning removes sand, scales, and anything that would taint the oil. Cooking loosens the fat from the tissue, preparing it for separation. Presses squeeze out the liquor, the mixture that holds the crude oil. Centrifuges split oil from water and proteins in seconds. What is left becomes fish meal, nothing wasted in the industrial chain. Crude oil is stored sealed. Exposure is the enemy. From ports like Peru or Norway, the oil moves to pharmaceutical purification facilities. This is where food grade becomes pharmaceutical grade. Every batch is tested before it is allowed anywhere near an encapsulation line.
They check freshness markers because rancid oil cannot be fixed later.
Pharmaceutical membranes remove fine particles before deeper refining. Refining strips out unwanted components that affect stability and taste. Some fractions leave the process here, taking odors and impurities with them. Chilling forces waxes and saturated fats to crystallize so they can be filtered out. What stays liquid becomes the base for concentrated omega-3 oil. Molecular distillation needs vacuum, lower heat, less damage to sensitive fats. Under vacuum, unwanted compounds separate from the omega-3 rich fraction. This step targets contaminants, what you do not want concentrated in your body. The goal is a consistent omega-3 profile, batch after batch. Odor compounds are stripped so the oil tastes cleaner and stores longer. They protect it from oxygen, because oxidation is the silent destroyer. Antioxidants like vitamin E slow rancidity once the capsule is sealed. While oil is purified, the shell materials arrive: gelatin, glycerin, purified water. The shell is a recipe, elastic enough to seal, strong enough to survive shipping. Air bubbles are removed because trapped air weakens capsules and speeds oxidation. Two ribbons become the walls of every capsule. Once purified, the oil is handled like a sensitive ingredient, because it is. This is the conversion oil becomes a dose, sealed in milliseconds. At this stage, they are delicate, still setting, still breathing off heat.
Drying controls moisture so capsules do not stick, sweat, or crack later.
Even air and temperature are treated like ingredients. Any capsule that is out of spec gets removed: shape, size, surface. Machines spot defects humans would miss at this speed. If a seal fails, the oil will oxidize, and the batch cannot hide it.
Polishing removes residue so capsules do not stick in bottles.
Some lines add an enteric layer to delay release and reduce aftertaste.
Coatings need time to cure. Rushing creates cracks you cannot see.
They verify the fatty acid profile confirming EPA and DHA levels.
Heavy metals and microbes are checked because purification is not assumed, it is proven.
Packaging starts with clean containers. Contamination control never ends.
Each bottle is counted dose control at industrial speed.
Moisture control and sealing protect the capsules through warehouses and summers.
Torque is controlled, too loose leaks, too tight cracks. Some markets prefer blister packs, dose-by-dose protection from air. Now it becomes retail-ready, still tracked, still inspected. Light and heat management continues right up to shipping.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.